How to fix app not responding after Android update. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Is your Android apps or any apps on your Android not responding after an Android update? If so, this video is for you. So let's begin with the troubleshooting. So initial troubleshooting steps is pretty simple. Restart your phone. You can press on the volume up button and the power button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on that and this should fix any temporary glitches and also free up memory. After that, if it still does not work, you will need to go to your settings, go to your apps, and select the app that is causing you issue. So let's say Snapchat is causing me some issue. Tap on it, then tap on force stop. Confirm this, and this can be a quick fix for immediate issues. If this does not work, again, make sure you're on the app info itself. Then head over to storage and cache. And sometimes corrupted files can cause the app to crash. So what we'll do is clear out its cache. So tap on clear cache and also clear storage. After you've done that, you'll need to check for app and iOS update. Make sure both of those are up to date to the latest version. After that, if your problem still continues, you will just need to reinstall the app that is causing a problem, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.